Yo, what's up, guys? Today I just finished up cleaning out my emails, unsubscribing to all my email lists, cleared out all my suggestions on my phone, so when I open up my Safari, it doesn't show me up any recently searched things, any suggestions, any of that. That's all gone. I deleted like all the apps on my phone besides the absolute essentials. I deleted all the suggestions, so when I swipe up and search for something, it doesn't show me anything except for apps. Got rid of the dictionary, got rid of the photos, got rid of the messages, got rid of the files, so none of that stuff pops up. Yeah, cleaned out that. My desktop's cleaned out. All I've got is one folder, 2 apps on my home screen. What are they? Chrome and Finder, because you can't get rid of Finder, I don't think. Nope, yeah, it's stuck there. So that's nice. Just some hygiene stuff to get rid of distractions, because they're just cues to distractions I don't need. I would like to work in like a white box or like just a box. That would be nice. For the meantime, I have this. I usually don't have this hoodie up here, but I tried to throw it earlier and it got hooked up on there. This kind of blocks out stuff when I'm working. That's nice. Very nice. Yeah, getting rid of distractions. Also, my desktop screensaver got just relentless. I like that. I like that word. I think it brings out a good version of me. Learned about that subconscious cue. Maybe I talked about it in a previous video, but that was from Influence that I got that tip on having little subconscious cues like success signals, stuff like that, things that are gonna help you, achievement-oriented subconscious cues in your environment. That's how I'll term it. Anyway, yeah, today I had computer science lab, second to last one. Knocked that out, good. I had actually went to Berkshire Hathaway, the annual meeting. It's Friday though, so it was just the shopping event today. Like all the companies have their booths and stuff. So just walked around there for a bit with my parents. But probably won't go to the shareholder meeting tomorrow with Buffett talking. I mean, it's fine, it's cool and all, but it's not super relevant to what I'm working on right now. And I think I could spend that time better working on stuff that's directly involved in Dark Horse, such as building out ad scripts, potentially rewriting copy. Today in the company, we were working on KPIs. So now we've been tracking data. So now we can set KPIs, key performance indicators. And from there, we can look at where the weak parts in the funnel are and attack those to fix those up, clean those up, and set target KPIs and make sure we get there and get in range and maybe even exceed that. But yeah, anything else? Yeah, I've been doing this workout routine that's like minimal, right? I might have talked on it a little bit in these videos, but man, I did chest assisted rows on a bench yesterday where I rode dumbbells. My intercostal muscles, the muscles in between my ribs, are like sore probably from just holding myself in a good posture, and my back is sore. And I slept until 9 a.m. this morning and I went to bed at 10:15. So yeah, my Oura ring was unfortunately dead. I didn't have enough charge, but I probably slept over 9 hours last night. So that's what I'm saying. You don't need very much stimulus to really impact the body if you haven't been getting a lot of stimulus. Like everyone talks about, getting in the gym 5 days a week and doing all these sets. Like you don't need that at the beginning. And you're probably just wasting time doing junk volume and actually overstressing your body, because I haven't done rows in years probably. So I did one set with 8-pound dumbbells, 8 reps, and like I can feel it in my back. I'm sore today, and it's a good sore. So it's so nice. It's free gains when you're a noob. So yeah, probably gonna start locking in here as school winds down and locking on this business. Like I think we can really do a good job, really top notch, and just grind. But I think we need to set. Well, I need to set clear goals for myself, which is hard because I never have thought like I want to get this company to 10K a month. I never thought that was a great goal or like a number, because then it could lead to making decisions that aren't great for the long term health of the company and reputation, and because you're focusing more on just getting the numbers up as fast as possible. Maybe that's coping or something, or maybe it's, getting high revenue now is actually what's best for the long term company health of the company. But these are all things I can figure out once I contextualize or verbalize an abstract thought. Then I can think it through with ChatGPT and figure it out. So setting clear goals, or a goal for the next 3 months, this summer period, that will be something on my to-do list. That's high value, high priority. So let me just type that in. Anyway, that'll probably wrap it up anyway for today. So I'll talk to you guys later.